Well, Emily, this is your excuse me. This is your upper tension assembly, and these are your parts. The inner tension pin. Got the tension assembly and its screws. You got the inner pin or the outer pin. The cup that holds the spring, and the cap with the adjusting screw. Excuse me. So I'm going to put all this down here so I can turn the machine and show you something on the back. This dealie here is your tension release. It's automatic when you raise the presser foot, but if you want to release the tension briefly, you just press that in. And this inner pin here, you'll notice it has a tapered end. Tapered end goes in first from this side, goes through a little hole in the casting and ends up at that little chrome tension release. So your pin is in there. Your upper tension assembly goes on with the thread guides on the left and the adjuster on the right. Slip it on there and the pin should be pretty well aligned. It should just go right in the center of that assembly. Okay, yeah. Probably already mentioned it, but I am in Sheridan, California right now, which is near Sacramento. Still on my way south, spending some time with loved ones here on the way. The neighbors just got home and their dog is all excited about it. Okay, then the smaller tension pin goes in the hole in the threaded shaft. There's a hole right in the center of it. The pin slides back into that. And then when you press on that release dealie on the other side, alrighty, glad we checked on that because something is not right. Because when I press on the tension release on the other side, it's not moving the inner pin, or the outer pin, whatever it is, the small pin. That's correct. Okay, little pin is on the inside. Tension discs face convex side to convex side. The two tension discs slide on. Then the little cup that the spring sets in. And the spring, let's see. That's working. And then the outer cup with the adjusting screw on it. There we go. And this is just free adjusting. There's no stop on it. You can screw it down as far as you want. So just get it on there and you can set it up, you thread it up. Loosen these screws. I'll put the face plate back on. We've got a nice machine here, Emily. It seems to be in real good condition. Okay, I still have to take the motor apart, do the motor, put the light on, the belt, and so on and so forth. But you see, the machine is essentially done. And I'll take a couple pictures when she's done.